Here we're just reviewing replacing the P1350 Designer Series LED bulb from the Ventahood control panel. I'm going to be removing 3 to 4 screws out of the lip of this hood and a couple more sheet metal screws up in the body of the hood to get this control panel to come free. And as I rotate it down, it reveals how these bulbs are locked in place. And if you study this bulb, this early generation bulb, it's got an arm that swings to the up and the low position, and essentially adjusting this to the up position is going to allow you to remove the bulb from below, and as you're reinstalling it, you're going to then rotate these arms into the low position to lock it in place. Important to note, on this early generation, you have to lower the control panel in order to do this repair. Now, somewhere around the year of 2013, they had evolved this bulb to include spring arms. So here you don't have to lower the control panel. You can apply gentle pressure, and this will come down with these 2 spring arms in the upright position. Of course, there's a quick disconnect clip that will allow you to disconnect the wiring. Make sure you don't lose that lead up into the hole while you're doing this repair. Then we're going to be reinstalling it by folding these arms to the upright position, making sure our electrical's in place, and you'll feel it snap down into the hole. Important to note here that we do offer 2 different bulbs today. The P1350 is kind of a warmish 2700K LED light. It's kind of a little more reminiscent of the halogen, lighter yellowish light, and we offer an aftermarket solution, which is the P1355. This is a daylight 5000K LED bulb. It is significantly brighter. If you have under cabinet lighting on either side of your hood, you may prefer this P1355. It might match the daylight bright light that your under cabinet already has. So these are the models that are available. You can purchase these online, ventahoodparts.com or kitchenfoundry.com.